Okay, so in last session we saw page layout tab. See, we are going to one by one tab. First we will see all these tabs, then we will go to the formulas. Okay, home tab almost we have seen. Insert tab we are going to see. Okay, we'll see insert tab after this page layout or view review tab. Okay, page layout tab, in last session we saw all these things: themes, margin, orientation, size, print area, breaks, background, correct, print titles, we saw it. Okay, remaining part today we will see. Then formulas we are going to see in next session. Data, we saw some of the things from the data. We will see many things from data. Then review, today we will see a review tab also. Okay, so some of the part remaining from this page layout tab we will see today. Wait just 1 minute, student. Okay, so today we will see the use of this scale to fit group. What is the meaning of this scale to fit group? See student, many time what happened, suppose I want to take a printout of this large data. So this large data could not fit on single page, correct? I required a 2 to 3 page for printing, but my need is that I want all data on a single page only. ऐसा होता है बहुत बार, हमें सिंगल पेज में ही सारा डेटा चाहिए होता है. सो व्हाट टू डू एट दैट टाइम, कितना भी आपने मार्जिन सेट किया, सब विड्थ अरेंज किया कॉलम की, फिर भी वो फिट नहीं होता है one page पे. But I want my all data on single page only. At that time you use the scale to fit tab. So what is in this? In this scale to fit, you have to choose a width equal to 1 page, then height is equal to 1 page. Okay, and then go into the print preview. What happened? See here, all of your data come on a single page only. Have you seen this? All of your data come on single page only. मतलब इस पर और भी डेटा भी फिट हो सकता है, कितना भी डेटा डालो आप 3-4 पेज का, वो सिंगल पेज पे प्रिंट आ सकता है, लेकिन उसका साइज बहुत कम होता है. बट डेटा इज ऑन द सिंगल पेज ओनली. Got it? Or you may choose here automatic, width is equal to automatic, height is automatic. Okay, and scale you can take 69 or 72, near about 72. So now we'll go into the print preview and we'll check it. What happened? All your data come on a single page only. Even more space is there, you can add some more columns also. So this is the use of this scale fit to scale tab. Okay. Next is a grid line tab is there. In page layout tab, there is a grid line and headings are there. Headings and grid lines. So what is use of grid line? See, there are 2 buttons in grid line. Student, can you view this? आपको दिख रहा है क्या सभी को? Yes, student.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in grid line, view and print buttons are there. So whenever I will uncheck this view, see what happened. क्या हो रहा है आपको समझ में आया? We'll see in a plain sheet. Suppose this is our plain sheet. This is also table. This is our plain sheet, suppose. See what happened. Now I will click on this view. क्या हुआ? Uncheck किया मैंने view को. What happened?
The lines, grid lines
Yes.
are there.
Lines disappear, means grid lines. These lines are called as grid lines. If you check this view, you can see the grid lines. Correct? And when you uncheck view, grid lines will disappear. You can't see the grid lines. Okay? So if you don't want, suppose you want to insert here any chart or any picture, you don't want the grid lines. Correct? At that time, you can click on this checkbox and uncheck these, disappear these grid lines. Okay? Now, I just check the grid lines. Okay? Now see, if you will see the print preview of this data, what happened? See, क्या हुआ? Grid lines आई क्या print में? No, there are no grid lines in the printing page. So what to do? For this, you required select this and then go into the borders, and all borders you want, you need to do. Okay, correct? But here is another option. If you want this grid line in your print also, just check this print checkbox. What I did? I just click on print checkbox. Now we will see print preview. See what happened now? You can see a grid lines also. But up to where? जितना आपका डेटा है उतना ही ग्रिड लाइंस आया है. करेक्ट? बाकी की ग्रिड लाइंस आपको दिख रही क्या? नहीं. हाउ मेनी? सपोज आई विल अगेन गिव some of the data here, then the grid lines will come for the remaining data also. Correct? So you can see these grid lines also. This is the use of these two buttons. Okay? Next is heading. Next is heading. When I will uncheck this heading view, what happened? Yes. What happened? Again I checked it. What happened? क्या हो रहा है? Yes, students. Anybody please reply. When I click or when I check this heading view icon, at that time I can see this heading. Heading means name of column and number of row. See, as soon I click on, आपके column name and row number गायब हो गए. Column name and row number get disappear. When I click on view, again we can see the column name and row number. Correct? Now, if you will see the print preview of this data, can you see here a column name and row number? No. In print preview, column name and row numbers are not there. But for some reason, I want column name and row number on my printing page. So what to do? Just click on print in heading. Now go and check the print preview. What happened? Here you can see a column name A, B, C, D and row numbers also. Okay. So this is the purpose of this heading. So page layout is very important thing in this data maintenance. आपको print निकालने पड़ते बहुत बार. That's why this page layout tab is very important. Okay. Have you done a practice on this page layout tab? Student, I will give you a 5 minutes. Just look at all these tabs in page layout. Themes, margin, orientation, size, print area, breaks, background, print titles, scale to fit, and this sheet option is there. Okay, so just do practice on all these tabs. I will give you a 5 minutes, then we will see the next tab, review tab. Okay, so please do the practice. If you have any difficulty, you can ask me. Raise up your hand and ask me. Yes, have you done, student?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. प्रैक्टिस क्यों जरूरी है आपको? क्योंकि जब तक आप खुद करते नहीं आपको समझ में नहीं आता है, भूल जाते हैं. That's why I am giving you some time. Okay. Next tab we will see, that is review tab. Just click on review tab if your Excel has opened. So what is in review tab? There is a spelling, there is a research, there is a thesaurus, translate, then new comment. Okay, and afterward protect sheet, protect workbook is there. Okay, many times for this review tab you need a internet connection on your laptop or on your computer. If there is a no internet connection, many of the tabs will not work from this review tab. Okay, so we will see these one by one. First tab is spelling. So what happened in Microsoft Word, there is a auto spell checker is there. If you'll on that auto spell checker while typing, if you are spelling it wrong, it will correct automatically. But in Excel, there is a no such spell checker, or there is a no red line if your spelling is wrong. In Microsoft Word, there is a red line if you have put a wrong spelling. So how you can get that your spelling are corrected or not? Many times happen this by mistakenly, or if you don't know the spelling, that time you put the wrong spelling. Okay, so how to do spell check we'll see. Suppose I will type here a word teacher. I put the wrong spelling, a teacher. Okay, can you view this? I put a wrong spelling of teacher. I click on or select the cell and I click on spelling. So what happened? It will give you a proper correct spelling for the teacher. So there are many options here. Ignore once, ignore all, add to dictionary, change all, autocorrect, like such options are there. What you want? You want to change the spelling, then you can change. If you want to ignore, many times what happened while giving the noun, जब आप नाम देते हैं किसी का तो वो wrong spelling है ऐसा बताता है, but we don't want to change that name, we want to keep it as it is. That time you can ignore it, but if you want to correct it you can change. Suppose there are many times teacher word in your sheet. I have added this teacher word 10 times in the sheet, then click on change all. ओके, और क्लिक ऑन ऑटो करेक्ट. ऑटो करेक्ट मीन्स जो भी शीट्स में जितने भी वर्ड्स है गलत वो सब वो करेक्ट कर देगा. इफ आई क्लिक ऑन चेंज, wait, it will correct the word teacher. Okay, suppose I will put some words many times. Suppose I put this welcome, a wrong spelling I am typing here. See what happened? It will correct automatically because I click on the auto correct. जितनी भी बार मैं wrong spelling type करूंगी, it will correct automatically. So better way, you can click on the auto correct option. It will correct all your spellings. Okay, so this is a purpose of spelling. Next one is a research. So what is the meaning of research? Research means suppose you want to find out a meaning of some word. Suppose I type here word computer. Okay, I want to do a research on this world. How many words are there for the computer or anything? Okay, I click on the research. See what happened. Here computer word comes automatically because on my cell it is there. Okay, I click on this green arrow ahead of computer word. Green arrow is there. I click on this green arrow. So what happened? I just change it into the English. I want a next meaning for the computer, other meaning for the computer in English only. So what it will display, it will give me that computer may called as a processor or maybe the CPU or central processing unit also or mainframe also, maybe the supercomputer also, workstation. Many time computer may called as a workstation also. In networking it is called as workstation, or somebody may call as a PC, personal computer. Somebody may call laptop. Laptop is also computer. Okay, notebook is also computer. New type is there. Notebook computers are there. So the different meaning of word computer comes under this research. Okay, now I think that I don't want to use a computer. I want some other word for the computer. Suppose workstation is a proper word for my data, then what I will do, I will go here in the workstation. There is one down arrow, click on it and click on insert. So what happened, instead of computer, I insert another meaningful word for the computer, that is workstation. Okay, suppose I want to insert a laptop, I can insert a laptop also. Got it? This is the use of research. Then next one is a thesaurus. So what is the meaning of this thesaurus? We will see. Now in thesaurus, you can change a language. You can change that. If you want in French, it will come in French. You want in English, Spanish, or anything you can do with this thesaurus. And again in thesaurus, there are a multiple meaning word for the single word. For workstation, you can take a workspace, computer unit, terminals, like such. Okay, and you can replace here also. Got it? The next one is a translation. Now what is the meaning of translation? We will see. Click on the translate. See, for this tab you need a network, internet connection must be there. So what is the meaning of translation? Here see, there is a English to Marathi. I had done Marathi. Suppose you want in Hindi, you can change. If I'll click the Hindi, it will give you a Hindi word is a teacher again. Okay. Suppose I want to insert here instead of English, teacher in Hindi, just click on insert, teacher will come. So you can translate your word in other language and you can insert that words also. That is the meaning of translate. Okay. Next is new comment. So what is the use of comment? See, whenever you will move your mouse pointer on any of the tab or any of the icon, what happened? The information about the icon comes on the downside. See here, जैसे ही मैंने यहाँ माउस पॉइंटर क्लिक किया, नीचे क्या आया? न्यू कमेंट, add a comment about the selection. If I'll move my mouse pointer on translate, it will give me the additional information about the translate. What is the information? Translate the selected text into the different language. If I'll put my mouse pointer on spelling, it will give me a shortcut key is F7. Check the spelling of the text. So जो नीचे आ रहा है ना, that is a comment. That is a comment. So this icon work for giving a comment on your sheet, in your sheet for your important words. Okay, suppose for this word I want to add a comment. Workstation क्या है? बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं होता what is a workstation. So I will add a comment here. So what my comment is there? I will add comment that workstation is a computer terminal used in network. ये comment है मेरी. Okay, so I click here. So जब भी मैं मेरे वर्कशीट में आती हूँ, whenever my mouse pointer will go here, it will give me the additional information about that word workstation. Okay, so if I want to put the workstation name here, कोई न्यू यूजर है, उसको पता नहीं वर्कस्टेशन में क्या ऐड करना है. So that time when he will put his mouse pointer on workstation, he will see the comment that workstation is a computer terminal used in network. So which is a workstation? Suppose it may be the server, it may be the mainframe, it may be the computer 1, it may be the server number 1, 2, 3, like such. These are the workstations. Got it? So you can edit this comment, you can delete the comment, you can go to the previous comment. Previous comment means suppose I have given the comment for this also. Suppose I will add here comment that teacher name is XYZ. This is my comment. Okay, suppose I am on this comment. If I will click on the previous comment, it will give me the previous word comment. Okay, next means आगे की comment देगा. Previous means पहले वाली comment देगा वो. Okay, if I don't want a comment, I will click on delete. If I want to edit the comment, I will click on edit. If I want to hide the comment, I can hide the comment. Click on here. What happened? Comment will hide. अभी comment दिख रही है क्या आपको? नहीं, comment will hide. Okay? Whenever he will click mouse pointer जो आप लेंगे तभी आपको वो comment दिखेंगे. Otherwise comment get hide. Okay? शो कमेंट में क्या हो रहा है? कमेंट परमानेंटली दिख रही है. और हाइड कमेंट में क्या हो रहा है? Whenever your mouse pointer will go there, that time only you can view the comment. Okay? शो ऑल कमेंट में ऑल जो भी कमेंट आपने दिए वो डिस्प्ले हो जाएगी. Got it? स्टूडेंट हेवी हो रहा है क्या? Yes, student.
Got it.
Is it heavy?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
You can do with me. If you have any problem, you can ask me. The next thing in a review tab is, I think you just do some practice on this. Do you want to do practice on these things before go ahead? Yes, student. Can I go ahead? नेक्स्ट टैब ले लूं
Yes,
या
ma'am.
आप इस पर प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं थोड़ा?
You can go ahead, ma'am.
Okay. The next thing in review tab is protect sheet or protect workbook. See what happened. Suppose I have create a worksheet for a college data. Very important data है मेरे पास. Okay, see, there are some internal marks, external marks in the sheets, or students important data, personal data is there, and I want that nobody should be interfere with my data. अभी कैसे होता है, बहुत बार आपको डेटा फिल करना है तो एक ही पर्सन नहीं फिल करता है, या फिर आपको किसी को दिखाना होता है. सपोज एज एन एचओडी or as an director I have created data and I send it to my colleagues that view the data. But एक्सेल में क्या होता है, जब हम किसी को एक्सेल की फाइल सेंड कर रहे हैं तो जैसे एक्सेल की फाइल ओपन करते हैं तो दे कैन एडिट द एक्सेल फाइल, they can change, they can manipulate the data. Many times happen this. So we should give a protection to the our sheet, our file. So we need to give a protection to our data, to our file. So nobody should interfere with our data. किसी ने भी एडिट नहीं करना चाहिए. अभी जैसे कि मैं यूनिवर्सिटी के इंटरनल मार्क्स एंट्री की मैंने, and I want to just give to teacher that you just go through it. Change नहीं करना है, आपको सिर्फ देखना है. So I have to give the protection to my file, correct? So how to give a protection? See, click on protect sheet. What happened? क्या दे रहा है? Protect sheet. You can give a password for your sheet. And you can select all these things जो भी आपको उन्होंने edit नहीं करना चाहिए. Nobody should be edit this thing. You just check this checkbox. Suppose I want that nobody should format my cells. I will check it. I want that nobody should format my column. I will check it. Nobody should format rows. I will check it. Nobody should insert column. Nobody should insert rows. No hyperlink. Nobody should delete the column. Nobody should delete the row. किसी ने सॉर्ट भी नहीं करना चाहिए, ऑटो फिल्टर भी नहीं यूज करना चाहिए, नो पाइवोट टेबल, नो एडिट ऑब्जेक्ट, नो एडिट सिनेरियो. ओके, सो व्हाट आई गिव, जो भी आपको किसी ने करना नहीं चाहिए दैट यू कैन चेक फ्रॉम हियर, सेलेक्ट करना है. ओके, एंड यूज एनी पासवर्ड. सपोज आई विल यूज अ पासवर्ड 1 2 3 एंड ओके. यू विल अगेन आस्क फॉर पासवर्ड 1 2 3 एंड ओके. नाउ सी, ये जो भी शीट है मेरा, ये क्या हुआ, प्रोटेक्ट हो गया. whenever I will try to enter a data, it will give me error. क्या कह रहा है, the cell or chart that you are trying to change is protected and therefore read only. क्या है, this cell or chart is protected, it is a read only, you can read, you can't interfere in the data, you can't modify the data. Okay, I'll click on okay. तो अभी किसके राइट से, ये सिर्फ मेरे राइट से रह गए. जो भी मुझे करना है, फाइल डिलीट इट, डिलीट हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, चेंज भी नहीं कर सकते, डिलीट भी नहीं, फॉर्मेट भी नहीं, नथिंग आई कैन डू. ओके, सो दिस इज माय प्रोटेक्टेड वर्कशीट, वर्कबुक. नाउ आई कैन सेंड इट टू यू. आपको कोई चेंज करने के राइट्स ही नहीं इसमें. सो ऑलवेज व्हेनेवर यू विल क्रिएट अ डेटा इन एक्सेल, गिव अ प्रोटेक्शन टू योर डेटा. किसी को भी सेंड करो आप, आपको प्रोटेक्शन देना ही है. डेटा मैनिपुलेट हो जाता है. ओके, सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन एक्सेल. Okay, again now I want to remove the password. अभी मुझे ये एंट्री करनी कुछ डिटेल. I will click on unprotect the sheet. अभी पासवर्ड मेरे पास ही है, so I can type the password 1 2 3 and say okay. Now I can edit. See, now I can delete it. I can enter the another name. Okay, got it? This is a protect sheet. Next one is a protect workbook. See student, now here are my sheets, correct? Here are my sheets. तो अभी जैसे कि मैंने बहुत सारे शीट्स क्रिएट किए थे, स्टूडेंट रिजल्ट, प्रोडक्ट, शीट 3 is there, sheet 4 is there. Okay, so anybody can come here and can delete my this sheet. I just click here and anybody delete it. Okay, delete हो गया डेटा. तो शीट भी डिलीट नहीं करनी चाहिए मेरी किसी ने. अगर मैंने MBA 1, MBA 2, MBA 3 ऐसे करके शीट्स क्रिएट किए तो किसी ने शीट भी नहीं डिलीट करनी चाहिए. सो व्हाट टू डू एट दैट टाइम, यू कैन क्लिक ऑन अ प्रोटेक्ट वर्कबुक. पूरा वर्कबुक पे जो भी शीट्स है वो सारे प्रोटेक्ट हो जाते हैं. जैसे कि अभी मैंने इफ आई क्लिक ऑन दिस शीट, आई कैन ऐड अ न्यू शीट. Okay, new sheet, many new sheets I can add. But as soon as I click on protect workbook, what happens? See, protect structure and windows. Okay, I'll click on structure and windows. Both मुझे protect करने. Structure means whatever the formatting is there in the sheet as well as windows. New sheet भी नहीं insert करनी चाहिए. Okay, I'll use the password 1 2 3 and say okay. Again 1 2 3. Okay. Now what happens? See. Suppose I want to delete this sheet, I click on. See, जो भी insert, delete, rename के जो भी menus है वो सब disable हो गए. Okay, sheet कैसी हो गया अभी? Protected. Anybody can't delete my sheet or can't insert any new sheet or can't insert data into my sheet. Okay, see here. Suppose I will click on this new sheet. कुछ हो रहा है क्या? नहीं. If I'll click on new sheet will not enter. So whole workbook get protected. Nobody can insert new sheet. Nobody can delete my sheet. Okay. So this is a use of protect sheet and protect workbook. Okay. So students, I'll give you 5 minutes again. Just do the practice on hold this review tab. If you have any problem, ask me right now only. I will not repeat it afterward. Okay, I'll keep it as it is. You just do practice. If problem is there, ask me right now. I'll wait for 5 minutes. Okay, student, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So for today it is enough. क्योंकि ज्यादा सीखा है तो ज्यादा हो जाएगा. ओके जो भी अब तक सीखा है उसके ऊपर प्रैक्टिस करो. इफ यू हैव प्रॉब्लम यू कैन मैसेज मी इन जूम और इन चैट बॉक्स ऑफ जूम. ओके और यू कैन आस्क मी एट एनी टाइम. Okay, next we will see in Excel, that is a chart, in next session how to insert a chart and different types of charts. Okay, somebody is chatting. Who is that? Workbook statistics. Yes, you want information about workbook statistic? Yes.
No, ma'am.
Who is Chaitanya? आपके इसमें वर्कबुक स्टैटिस्टिक करके टैब है क्या? Yes, Chaitanya is there.
Yes, ma'am. Hey.
Yeah. Because in my MS Excel is the Excel 2007. Which version you have?
2019.
19. Okay, latest version you have. So in that what that workbook statistics are there now. See, if you click on workbook statistics, it will give the information about your workbook. That how many columns are there, how many rows are there, the last number of सेल क्या है आपका या फिर शीट्स क्या है. ये सब स्टैटिस्टिक जो होते हैं ना वर्कबुक के, उसके नेम से लेकर कितने रोज आपने यूज किए, कितने कॉलम, दैट यू विल गिव यू. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस ना, इट विल गिव यू वर्कबुक स्टैटिस्टिक. अभी मेरा 7 है, पुराना है. मैंने 7 क्यों लिया है? क्योंकि बहुत से स्टूडेंट के इसमें लेटेस्ट नहीं होता है. That's why 7 जो है, most of the 90% people are using Excel 7. Okay, that's why I use this 7. Okay, तो
Okay,
क्लिक
ma'am.
करके देखो आप, आपको
Okay,
सब
ma'am.
वर्कबुक की स्टैटिस्टिक आ जाएगी.
Okay, ma'am.
आ रही क्या?
हाँ आ
Yes.
रहा है.
Can you share your screen with me?
Yes. लैपटॉप कनेक्ट किया है.
I can't listen your voice. Your voice is not proper. Okay, we'll stop here only. Good night, student.